Get ready to dive into a captivating topic that's been making waves of the world of Bitcoin. Today, we explore the audacious statement by Saylor: Bitcoin as a perfect thing in an imperfect world. Saylor's assertion that Bitcoin is a perfect thing in an imperfect world holds merit when examined from various perspectives. In an economically imperfect world plagued by financial uncertainty, shifting geopolitical landscapes, and recurrent economic downturns, Bitcoin offers unique characteristics that make it an attractive and resilient asset. First and foremost, Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network known as the blockchain. Unlike traditional financial systems that rely on centralized authorities such as banks or governments, the decentralized nature of Bitcoin ensures that no single entity has complete control over the network. This feature provides a level of transparency, security, and resistance to censorship that is absent in many conventional financial systems. In a world where trust in institutions is often questioned, Bitcoin's decentralized design offers an alternative that appeals to those seeking greater autonomy and sovereignty over their financial affairs. Furthermore, Bitcoin's limited supply and predictable issuance mechanism contribute to its appeal as a store of value. Unlike fiat currencies that can be subject to inflationary pressures due to government policies or economic uncertainties, Bitcoin has a finite supply capped at 21 million coins. This scarcity, coupled with its decentralized nature, provides a hedge against potential devaluation or erosion of wealth. As a result, some individuals view Bitcoin as a potential safe haven asset during times of economic turmoil or as a long-term store of value in an uncertain financial landscape. Additionally, Bitcoin's borderless and permissionless nature allows for seamless peer-to-peer transactions across international borders without relying on intermediaries or traditional banking systems. This characteristic makes it particularly valuable in regions with limited access to financial services or where individuals face restrictions on moving capital. Bitcoin's ability to facilitate frictionless cross-border transactions without the need for intermediaries or excessive fees empowers individuals and businesses in economically disadvantaged areas and promotes financial inclusion on a global scale. It is worth noting that while Bitcoin offers several advantages, it also faces challenges and criticisms. Its price volatility, regulatory uncertainties, and potential environmental impact are important factors to consider when evaluating its role in the global economy. Furthermore, Bitcoin's decentralized nature and lack of central authority can also present challenges in terms of governance and scalability. In August 2020, MicroStrategy, under the leadership of Saylor, made a significant announcement regarding their investment in Bitcoin. The company purchased 21,454 Bitcoins for $250 million, designating it as their primary treasury reserve asset. This decision was driven by a combination of macro factors that Saylor believed posed long-term risks to their corporate treasury program, which they aimed to address proactively. Saylor's rationale behind the investment in Bitcoin stemmed from the prevailing economic and business landscape. Several macro factors influenced this decision, including financial uncertainties, potential risks associated with traditional fiat currencies, and the impact of monetary policies pursued by central banks. By investing a substantial amount of their treasury funds into Bitcoin, MicroStrategy aimed to diversify their assets and mitigate the potential risks arising from the factors mentioned above. Bitcoin, as a decentralized digital currency, possesses unique attributes that differentiate it from traditional fiat currencies. Its limited supply, scarcity, and resistance to censorship are attractive features in a world where trust in financial institutions and the stability of fiat currencies are often questioned. Saylor's belief in Bitcoin's ability to act as a long-term store of value and hedge against potential inflation or currency devaluation drove MicroStrategy's decision. By allocating a significant portion of their treasury reserves to Bitcoin, the company aimed to preserve and potentially enhance the value of their assets over time. Furthermore, MicroStrategy's investment in Bitcoin signaled their confidence in the future prospects of cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. By taking such a bold step, the company positioned itself as an early adopter, an advocate for the integration of digital currencies into the corporate and financial sectors. Since MicroStrategy's initial investment, the price of Bitcoin has experienced significant fluctuations, reaching new all-time highs and undergoing periods of correction. However, Saylor has remained steadfast in his belief in the long-term potential of Bitcoin, often emphasizing its qualities as a reliable store of value and means of exchange. MicroStrategy's foray into Bitcoin investment has also influenced other institutions and corporations to consider adding cryptocurrencies to their balance sheets. This trend, often referred to as institutional adoption, has been viewed by many as a crucial step in the broader acceptance and mainstream integration of digital currencies. By April 5, 2023, MicroStrategy had significantly increased its Bitcoin holdings, acquiring a total of 140,000 Bitcoins at an average price of $29,803 per Bitcoin, amounting to approximately $4.17 billion. This substantial investment highlights MicroStrategy's continued belief in the potential of Bitcoin as a unique financial asset that presents a new vision for global financial systems. Bitcoin's decentralized nature stands as a fundamental differentiator from traditional banking systems. It operates on a peer-to-peer network called the blockchain, where financial control is distributed among the network participants rather than being centralized in the hands of a single authority. This decentralized structure mitigates the risks associated with manipulation, political influence, and economic instability that often affect traditional currencies. As a result, Bitcoin offers a more transparent, secure, and resistant financial alternative. One of Bitcoin's key design principles is scarcity. The total supply of Bitcoin is capped at 21 million coins, creating an inherent resistance to inflation. This stands in contrast to traditional fiat currencies that can be subject to inflationary pressures resulting from the policies implemented by central banks. In an era characterized by widespread quantitative easing and increasing national debts, Bitcoin scarcity provides a level of security against the erosion of value caused by inflation. MicroStrategy's significant Bitcoin investment reflects their belief in the potential benefits of this digital asset. By accumulating a substantial number of Bitcoins, the company aims to preserve the value of their assets over time and potentially benefit from future appreciation. This strategic move not only diversifies MicroStrategy's treasury holdings, but also positions them as a leading advocate for the adoption of cryptocurrencies within the corporate world. Furthermore, MicroStrategy's increased Bitcoin holdings serve as a testament to the growing institutional interest and acceptance of Bitcoin as a legitimate investment and store of value. As more companies and institutions recognize the unique features and potential benefits of cryptocurrencies, they are exploring ways to incorporate them into their financial strategies and portfolios. Bitcoin stands out from traditional banking systems due to its transactional transparency and immutability. With the use of blockchain technology, all Bitcoin transactions are easily traceable, visible, and unable to be altered, providing a level of accountability that is unmatched in traditional financial systems. This transparency has the potential to discourage financial crimes, reduce corruption, and foster trust among users. However, while the claim of Bitcoin being a perfect thing is not without controversy, it is important to recognize that the concept of perfection is subjective. Bitcoin has faced criticism for its energy consumption, price volatility, and use in illicit activities. Nevertheless, what Michael Saylor may mean by calling Bitcoin perfect is that it embodies an ideal or goal, a financial system that is decentralized, secure, transparent, and resistant to inflation, rather than being flawless in every aspect. From this perspective, Saylor's statement holds merit. Despite its imperfections, Bitcoin offers an innovative solution to many challenges faced by our current financial systems. It represents a striving for a more democratic, transparent, and stable financial world, making it a perfect thing in an imperfect world. And that concludes our discussion on Michael Saylor's perspective on Bitcoin as a perfect thing in an imperfect world. We hope you found this video insightful and thought-provoking. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment sharing your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on cryptocurrencies and financial trends.